Now let's do some practice to overview our features we already get familiar, and I will introduce a few other extra tips here. Of course, we could first make our own styles and apply while we're working, but I prefer to make first my content, then apply to have more challenging. I type my first title 01, and note that instead of going to change case and choose any type, you could switch between sentence case, lowercase, and uppercase by the shortcut. If I press Shift and F3 from my keyboard, it will switch between uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. I make every title uppercase to give you more tip about how we could find and replace or assigning style there. Okay, I create some sample text, random, again title, Shift F3 02 equal rand, and one more title, okay, 03, and random text. That's fine. As you know, we could apply our pre-made styles or modify them or create our own version. As you remember, I said you could update from your current selected content or go to modify and apply there. For first method, I wanna apply from my modified. So I choose my first title, make it bold, maybe larger, and blue color. I could even assign border, bottom, and top. And note that this is for paragraph, not only for font. And now I could create my first version. Click on this arrow here, create a style. I give it a name H1 as a header 1, modify. The name is fine, and note that the style type also it is based on paragraph and characters length, and based on normal. No, I want to define the heading 1. Note that it is important to define it as header, and H1 it is fine. Of course, I could still go to the format and format much more, but for now I think it is fine. And OK. Now we made our first heading. How can I apply to other headings and titles? Of course, we could select manually one by one and apply it, but we could select based on something like uppercase or all caps feature. That's the reason I made them capital. Imagine we have very large document and it takes too much time to do that one by one manually. To do that, I'm going to find, advanced find, and just to show you and clarify what's going to happen here, I expand there. And how can I find anything includes the capital letters? You could enable use wildcard, click on special, and on the list we have character in range. Click on that, or you could simply type manually left square bracket and right square bracket and your characters. Here we have A to Z. The numbers doesn't matter because we're gonna apply this style, and as you know, styles will apply to the whole paragraph. So I type capital A, it is important to be capital, dash to Z. Now let's try what is going on here. If I set find, next, 1, you see, every single capital letter will select it. Okay, but I don't want to select every single letters. Note that we have at least 2 capital letters close together. So I could click on special and say number of occurrences. Click on that. Not here, actually. Here. Okay, click by the end. Click on the special and choose number of occurrences. At least how many? 2. And we don't need range. Okay. I clear the highlights and do highlight all again to show you. You see? At least 2 capital letters close together. All my titles will highlight it. Great. We don't need any more highlight. Clear. Now go to Replace tab. It is defined what? Same values. And replace with what? Click here. Note that it is replace. It is fine. So it is important you have to click first. I want to replace with the format, style. Which style? The H1 I already made it. Okay. And simply replace all. Everything has fine and 3 replaced it. If we have much more than this, it's huge time saver. Okay, and close it. Sweet. Now let's create our own paragraph style. I prefer to apply for my normal. Right click, modify, and make your version. Maybe different type. And let's say 12. I think that's fine. I could add spacing before and after. Click on format, paragraph, before. Here it is important, and after. Okay and okay. Everything updated. But in some cases you might need to select your text first. If you need select based on your style, simply you could right click on your version of style, select all. Okay, how can I update them without going to modify the style? Very simple. For instance, I could justify that. On the paragraph, let's say first line indentation, okay. And I could right click again here and update. There it is. As you see, it is very simple and very easy to work with the styles, get attributes from your selected text, or apply from your version of a style. Now, how can I replace all capital text with regular one? Of course, you could make based on your title. I right click on my H1 style, modify, again format, font. I don't want to have all caps. I could set on small cap just for practice. Okay. And okay. But nothing happened because we done that manually based on the change case. In this case, if I right click, I could select all instances and then start change the case manually. Hold on the shift key, F3, and there it is.